This is probably the most convenient impact driver on the market. If you're regularly working in tight spaces, having to access electrical boxes, or working in the narrow openings of kitchen cabinets, or if you're working above your head a lot with ceiling mounted conduits or lighting, anything like that, then this tiny little M12 is going to be perfect. It's less than 11 centimeters long and weighs just over half a kilogram, which is nothing at all, but it still provides a hugely impressive 124 newton meters of torque, making it the best in its class for its power to weight ratio. If you're driving hundreds of screws every day, it's going to massively delay that feeling of fatigue, and this is much quieter than the 18-volt options. So if that's important for you as well, maybe you're working in an office environment or even a hospital where you don't want to be making loads of noise, then this little tool is going to be ideal. The design on the 12-volt Milwaukee battery adds to its convenience because there's no big blocky battery on the bottom, so you're not going to struggle getting into those awkward areas. It's the perfect piece of kit for small spaces, delicate materials, and driving loads of screws. The Milwaukee M12 BLIDRC Impact Driver is available now at its.co.uk.